Alright, so here we go with some fun exercise in Excel. Now look at the sample data which is there on the screen, which shows the employee ID, the name, the department for which this particular person is working for, the designation of this particular person, and when these people are hired, along with what is the annual salary. Now let's think that this year the company started doing good. The revenues, there is a good revenue growth, good profits. So company decided to give all its employee a flat 1,000 bucks more in their salary. Now who doesn't want 1,000 bucks more? Everyone needs, right? So now what we have to do is, in this G column, we have to increase this salary by 1,000. That is where there is 60,000, 61,000, 51,000, 56,000 and so on. Now you might say, Praveen, what is special about it? We can just type it. Type 61,000 here, 51,000 here, 56,000 here. Okay, how many rows are there? Approximately 40 rows. You will be able to do it in say 5 minutes or so. But let's think that there are 400 rows or 4,000 rows. Now what are you going to do? Okay, people who know formula might say, okay, we'll put a formula here, which is this is equal to this plus 1,000. Okay, and we'll drag this particular formula down. Okay, so then we'll copy this and we'll paste it here. That's some sort of job, right? Then you have to do the formula and all. I'll show you a simple method. So what you have to do is this. Type 1,000 somewhere, anywhere on the sheet where you can see it. Then copy that 1,000. Either Control C or use this particular option, copy, right? It gets copied. Then select the column or the values where you want to increase it by 1,000. I selected these values. Then go to paste. Don't paste. There is an arrow underneath this particular paste. Click on that. Go down to paste special, the last option. Click on this. Here in this one there is a section called operations. If you see here there is a add, subtract, multiply, divide. We might not have noticed that, right? So we can do calculations also with copy paste options. Click on add because we want to add this value to these values. I'll repeat, 1,000 I type somewhere, copy that, then we select the column where we want to increase it by 1,000. I go to paste special. In this window under the operations section, I click on add, then I click OK. Look at that, 61, 51, 56, 49 and so on. No formula required, nothing, just a copy paste option. I can remove this 1,000 as well. So that